Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, how's everyone doing today? This is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Today is WIP Cart Wednesday, one of my favorite days of the week to be able to create this video for you guys. It is my favorite because I get to include you guys in this video. If you're new to this channel and you're not sure what WIP Cart Wednesday is, WIP Cart Wednesday is where we buy the 3-tier carts and we fill it up with our craft items, our projects and stuff that we're working on, and we're able to move them around since they're on wheels. Well, I just want to show some of you guys what kind of projects and stuff you're working on. If you would like yours submitted and to be in one of my videos, I do these every Wednesday. Just email me or post it in my Facebook group page. But please put what is on your cart so that everyone knows what is going on. Because when I show your cart, I really love to talk about what you're working on and what you've got going. So, and so would everyone else. When we see them, we like to know what's going on in there. We like to know what that beautiful thing is you've got hanging off there that's, in the purple tones or something, and we're like, oh, that's pretty. What is that? So it really helps when you guys write on there, what's going on in your cart so that I can turn around and relay that in my videos. Anyway, so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the carts that we have in today's video. I think you're going to like them. There's a couple of them that are a little different. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Now here we have Darla's. She is from Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. Now Darla has hers in a shadow box, and isn't that the most gorgeous, cutest little thing you've ever seen? On the right hand side you can see it compared to an ink pen, how tiny that is, and Darla is real good at making shadow boxes, and so she wanted to share this with everyone, and I'm so glad she did. It just cracks me up every time I see it. It is so adorable. Darla is a very sweet, beautiful lady. Please go check out her channel on YouTube. It's Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla, and she is a wonderful pattern designer. So go check out her channel. Okay, now we have Cheryl's cart, and Cheryl, that is a very pretty cart. I love that color. On the middle shelf, she's working on one of my tutorials using the Hirschner's worsted gradients yarn in the colorway Graphite, and that is so pretty, and I'm so glad you're loving that. On the top, she's working on Happily Hooked shawl pattern using Date Nights yarn, which is very pretty. And on the bottom, she's working on a year-long ongoing Jada Tunisian Squares project, which is very pretty as well, or at least the colors of yarn you got picked out for that. Okay, so now we have Patsy's cart, and Patsy says that she started another basket, but then her shoulder started hurting, and so it's been a little painful for her, and no crochet getting done at this time. She says the scarf still needs pockets, the hat still needs a pom-pom, and she has maybe 10 rows left on her basket, and she says she needs a healing or a steroid shot. Patsy, you will be in all of our prayers. Okay, this card here belongs to my brother-in-law. This is David. He is married to my sister Tanya, which you guys know that she just started crochet. Well, when she got her crochet cart, he also bought himself a cart to keep his tools in. And so this is out in his garage. Okay, here we have my sister Tanya. And she has 3 projects going on her caddy right now. She says that the bottom shelf is a Halloween Afghan that she's been working on. The middle shelf is a corner-to-corner Afghan for her son in his favorite colors, deep purple, orange, and black. And on the right side, she's making one of the 2 Easter baskets that I have a tutorial coming out for. And those are going to be for 2 of her grandbabies. Okay, so now we have Susanna's cart. She's got some pretty things going on here. She says that her basket up there is made with Line Brand Ferris wheel yarn. I like that yarn. She's working on a pocket shawl, and she hopes that she has enough yarn to make a hat and some fingerless mittens. That's what she's got going on. Okay, wasn't that a lot of fun? Like I said, WIP Cart Wednesday is just one of my favorite. So go ahead and let's see what's on my cart. Grab you something to drink. Today it is good old black coffee, but I have hazelnut creamer mixed in it this morning. So yeah, let's see what I have on my WIP cart today. So the first thing I'm going to start with is from Crystal from Bag O' Day. Bag O' Day is doing a 9-week crochet along. And what it is, each week, I believe it's going to be on Tuesdays. Tuesday of each week, around 5 Central. And this is her first week. Isn't it gorgeous? Now, she's using a different yarn. She's using the Sesame Street character yarn. So what I decided to do is whatever colors are that week that she's doing, base my colors on hers. And so that's what week 1 is. It took me about 2 hours to crochet this one square. And now hers comes out 12 by 12. Mine, I measured it and it's 14 by 14 is the size of this one. But it's going to be a lot of fun. I love these baubles. Yeah. I was like, where's my other baubles? There they are. But yeah. It's just so cool. So I'm really looking forward to this, Crystal. I will leave her link below if you guys want to join in on this crochet along. It's going to be a lot of fun. And in the end, we'll have a nice blanket. 2 hours a week to crochet a square. That's all. 2 hours a week. Or at least that's how long it took me to make this one. Some of her others may not take me 2 hours. They may be shorter. Then they may be longer. I don't know. It's a crochet along. But anyway, I will leave Crystal's from Bag O' Day. That's the channel. I will leave it in the description box below. And I just used, if you're talking about, wondering about the yarn, I used my Big Twist Value on this. And, well, wait a minute. I did not. I used my Red Heart Super Saver yarn on this. I used the white in the Big Twist Value, but I used the Red Heart Super Saver in the red and black. But it's all, mine's all 100% acrylic, and I used a J 6.0 millimeter crochet hook. So you get a nice big size hook that you get to use with this project, which is going to make the squares turn out really big. And so you'll, by the time you get 9 of these and you get a border, you'll have yourself a nice little Afghan or a throw or whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's see what I have next. So the other thing is, I forgot to show you guys my Ipsy bag for February. My Ipsy. Ipsy is where I get makeup once a month. Well, this was February. Look at this. Isn't it adorable? I'm already using the makeup. I've got, in this, I got some foundation. It's called HD Invisible foundation, and that's what I'm wearing today. HD Invisible. Anyway, I really like it. Let's see, what else did I get in that thing? I've got some mascara, and I don't remember what else. That's sad, because I had ordered extra stuff with it, so I just can't remember exactly what was free with rewards or what was, you know, in my monthly bag. And they've already shipped, well, no, they've already charged me for March. I think on the 1st they charge you for that month. And I think it's like $24.99 is what I get charged for. And with shipping and handling, I think I end up paying like $30. So for about $30, I get, I always call it a project bag. And I get 5 full-size products. And if you order like today, if you go online on the 2nd of every month, that you only get so many hours. I think it's like less than 24 hours, more than 12, but less than 24. Maybe it's 24. I think it's like 9 a.m. to 9 a.m. the next day. That's probably what it is. So it is, I guess it's probably 24 hours. You get to go in and choose, because you get 5 full-size items. You get to go in and pick 3 of your 5. And I love that. I love picking my own 3 items. Anyway, so I just wanted to show that. That's what I got for February. I can't believe I missed February showing that to you guys. What I'm working on is, I'm using this ice yarn right here. Easter's coming up, and so I am making, I have a tutorial out for this, for the lip balm holders. You guys all know about it. You guys post it on Instagram and share it all the time and in my Facebook group page, and I love it. I love seeing all the different lip balm holders. They got like a little keychain on that at the end of the lip balm thing. So that's what I'm using. This is Ice Remedy Color. It says it's a 2. So anyway, that's what I'm using with it. Now for the tutorial, it's done with a, gosh, I can't remember. I haven't looked at that tutorial in a while, but I'll have to because I've got to make this. So I had to go back and watch it myself. I'm pretty sure I probably use either 3 or 4 weight in that. I'm sure it's not a 2 weight because I'm not a big fan of yarn that tiny, but I happen to like these colors for Easter, and so that's why I grabbed it. Last thing that I have on my hook, can you believe that, guys? I really don't have that much on my hook. I am working. One of you lovely subscribers told me yesterday that Jess Huff had some farm animal amigurumis, and I've forgotten all about that, about her side. I love her side. I made her reindeer. I think I made something else too. I can't remember, but I know I made the reindeer, or it could be just that I made the reindeer 3 times. That's probably what it is. Anyway, I'm making this right here. Let me get this in the camera. There it is. I'm making this. And her patterns are really easy to follow. I'll show you guys where I'm at on that. This is what I've got so far. I just started it yesterday. Yep. I have it in a project bag. And these are the colors right here. And I'm using a 3.5 millimeter hook. I don't have my hook in there, but I'm pretty sure that I'm using a 3.5. It must be on my end table in there in the living room because I was working on this last night. I really like her patterns. I'll leave her link below. Go check it out. It's jesshuff.com. I learned about her through Terry with Yarn Joy podcast. Go check out her channel. She has a lovely channel. She does tons of amigurumis. I love watching her channel. Anyway, so I learned about her, and that's when I did the reindeer. It was a crochet along on her channel. So go check it out. She gives you tips and stuff, you know, on putting the reindeer together and stuff. Anyway, it's a lovely reindeer. I love it. Actually, I've got another one to make for this year. So that's all that I actually have on my WIP cart. So let me show you what I finished yesterday when I did my rug tutorial. Okay, here's the scrap rug that I did for the tutorial. And it's red, black, white. And then I ended up putting yellow on rows 38 and 39. And then I went back to the red, black, and white. And the yellow rows are yellow, red, and black. But since this is going under the rocking chair in Knox's bedroom, his room is Mickey Mouse themed. So I had to add the Mickey Mouse on there, the little Mickey Mouse head. And all it is the face part is rows 1 through 9, and the 2 ears is rows 1 through 5. And then you just seam it on there, and I did use I think a 6.0 millimeter crochet hook for that. And a medium 4-weight yarn for the black. But yeah, that's it. Now that you've seen the little clip, this is the pattern, round scrap rug. This will go out Thursday, probably around 7 a.m. And I'm using an L 8.0 millimeter crochet hook. This is the finished item. And there's my little Mickey head. Look at that. But it is, I forgot what size this is. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I wrote it in my book. I mean, on my paper here. Did I write it down? I said approximately 19-inch diameter. Some of you are concerned about slipping. I'm not really sure on that because when I make these rugs, I make them to go under furniture. So I'm not really sure about that, but I do know that, like, I bought a rug to go in my hallway, one of the long rugs, and it just, you know, wants to move all the time. And it's a nice rug. So on Amazon, I bought these rug grippers, rug rug tape type thing. Anyway, they're sticky on both sides, but they're removable and they don't hurt your furniture. I mean, hurt your furniture. They don't hurt your floor. Anyway, and those work really well. So I would think that if you plan on making a rug and you're not putting it under furniture, maybe you could always put, something like that under the rug. I went to YouTube and I searched, on rugs because like I said, I had one in my hallway that it just, it never would stay straight. And so I just went to YouTube and I typed in, ways to keep your rug from moving or keep your rug in place or whatever. I can't remember what I typed in now, but I watched a few. Well, I ended up finding it was, what is that? You see it advertised on TV all the time. Gorilla Grip. I think that's what it is, the Gorilla Grip. Anyway, and so I know it's from a good company, and but they make stuff for rugs. And I found some on Amazon and I bought it, and they work really, really well. So if you're planning on making one of these and it's not going under a piece of furniture or something, look into maybe doing that and putting something like that under your rugs, and see if that would help. But I just want to show you this up close so you can see the colors. See, I did red, black, and white, and then a pop of yellow. So, okay guys, that is all that I have for this video. I hope you have enjoyed the WIP Card Wednesday as much as I have. Like I said, it is my favorite video of the week. Be sure and watch out for, I have a giveaway fixing to be going, the Sips by. I think I was supposed to do that yesterday. I got so caught up in computer work that I never did get around to it. I apologize for that. I'm going to try to get that out. But I do have the announcement for the winner for the 2 cakes of yarn and for the patterns. So be sure and look for that video too. Tomorrow, like I said, the rug tutorial comes out. This little doll thing, it came out yesterday, that little pattern. Okay guys, let's do our 365 days of prayer. Buckling knees. Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Isaiah 41:10. God of my strength, there are days when I feel like I can't do a thing right, when I don't have answers to big questions or the ability to solve complex problems. It is almost second nature to feel discouraged. When life begins to spiral out of control, my heart is prone to fear, but you said that you are with me. You said, don't be afraid, you are not alone. I believe you, God. I trust you. I cannot control what happens in the world around me or even in my own life sometimes, but I can let go of the need to dictate what happens and hold on to you. You always know better. Strengthen me and give me courage when I face trials of all kinds. You know I need to be reminded. Thank you for your relentless grace that prompts me to turn to you time and time again. Your patience amazes me. Your constant help is my portion. I could not do this without you. Thank you for holding me up. What fear can you release to God today? Wow, that's beautiful. That speaks to me so, so much. I hope that speaks to you guys as well. So that's all that I have for this video, guys. Remember, live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.